Credit Karma shows your TransUnion and Equifax credit scores for free, while Credit Sesame focuses more on your overall credit health and offers credit monitoring with upgrade options inside the app. By the end, you'll know exactly which app is better for checking your credit, tracking changes, and actually improving your score without paying unnecessary fees. Both apps look similar on the surface, but they're built for slightly different goals. Credit Karma is the check everything fast option. It pulls your credit data from TransUnion and Equifax and shows you updated scores, credit card offers, and loan recommendations based on your profile. What that means in real life is simple. You open the app, you see your scores, and you see what's affecting them right now. If your score drops, Credit Karma usually points to things like utilization changes or new inquiries, so you can spot problems quickly. Credit Sesame takes a different approach. It still gives you a credit score, but it pushes more toward credit monitoring, identity protection tools, and subscription upgrades for deeper reports. What that means is Credit Sesame is less about constant browsing and more about long-term tracking and alerts. If something changes in your credit profile, it's designed to notify you and guide you through what to fix. Now, the practical difference. If you want a free app where you can open it anytime and instantly see your credit situation, Credit Karma fits better. It's faster, more detailed, and more focused on showing you credit card and loan options based on your score. If you want more of a watch my credit and alert me when something changes setup, Credit Sesame is closer to that style. But neither app replaces your actual FICO score from your bank or lender. They're both educational tools that help you understand your credit profile, not the exact number every lender will use. Here's the simple breakdown. Credit Karma is better for active checking and comparisons. Credit Sesame is better for monitoring and guided alerts. If you're just starting, Credit Karma usually feels more useful because you get more visible data without upgrading anything. Before you pick, open both apps and check which dashboard makes more sense to you in the first minute. That first impression usually tells you which one you'll actually keep using. Credit Karma gives more hands-on visibility. Credit Sesame gives more passive monitoring. Choose based on how often you want to check your credit, not just the features list. If this helped, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit apps and financial tools without the confusion.